15 Things Women Never Tell Their Men. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because today's topic is one that everyone will want to hear. We're diving deep into the mysterious world of unspoken truths, specifically the 15 things women never tell their men. Why should you watch this? Because understanding these hidden truths can transform your relationship. It can build trust, improve communication, and save you from misunderstandings that could ruin a great thing. Whether you're in a relationship, married, or just trying to decode the female mind, this video will help you see things from a new perspective. So let's jump right in. 1. Their first gig, aka first sexual experience. Most women never forget their first time. It holds a special place in their memory. But will she ever tell you about it in detail? Unlikely. Even more interesting, studies show that many women lie about the age they lost their virginity, adding anywhere from 2 to even 10 years. Why? Because they don't want to be judged. Society shames women more than men for early sexual activity, so they keep it quiet, even if they remember that first guy with strange fondness. 2. That they check out other men. You might openly admire other women in front of your partner, thinking it's harmless. But she'll never admit she noticed the cute guy at the gym or the charming stranger at the coffee shop. Women do check out men. They even joke about it with their girlfriends. But in front of their man? No. It's a secret world you'll never see. 3. She hates cooking. In the early stages, she might act like a 5-star chef, cooking romantic dinners, baking treats, but fast forward a few months and, surprise, she's ordering takeout more than she's touching the stove. Truth is, a lot of women don't enjoy cooking, but they pretend to at first because they know it's often seen as a must-have trait in a relationship. She feels insulted when you give her money. You think you're being generous. You feel proud providing for her. But here's the plot twist. Many modern women feel slightly insulted when you hand them cash. They want to be seen as independent. They want you to respect their hustle, their ambition. So even if they smile and say thank you, deep down they might be thinking, you think this is enough? 5. She doesn't fully trust you. Even if she says, of course I trust you, that may not be the full truth. She's seen too many stories of women being cheated on. She's been told to hold on to her man, even when red flags are flying. So she might smile, nod, and play along, but her gut is constantly scanning for signs of betrayal. She just won't say it out loud. 6. She's compared you to her ex. She'll never say it out loud, but at some point she's compared you to her ex, even if it was just in her head. It could be something as simple as how you kiss or how you handle conflict. The comparison might favor you or not, but she'll never tell you. Why? Because no man wants to hear about the other guy. 7. She gets jealous of your female friends. She may act cool when you mention that coworker you always eat lunch with, but inside, she's analyzing every detail. She'll never admit that it bothers her because she doesn't want to seem insecure. But make no mistake, she's watching, quietly. She snoops through your phone at least once. Even if she says she trusts you 100%, curiosity sometimes gets the best of her. She might sneak a peek at your texts or social media, just once, to be sure. But she won't admit it. Ever. 9. She doesn't always like your friends. Some of your buddies might be loud, immature, or just bad influences, but she keeps her lips sealed. Why? Because she knows telling you the truth might drive a wedge between you. Instead, she smiles, waves, and puts on her best, I'm fine face. 10. She sometimes fakes it, in bed. Yes, it happens. A lot more often than you'd think. She may do it to spare your feelings or to get things over with. But will she tell you? Absolutely not. This one stays locked away forever. 11. She doesn't like your fashion choices. That hoodie you love? Those shoes you've worn for 5 years? She secretly cringes but doesn't want to hurt your feelings. So instead, she subtly buys you new clothes and compliments other guys' style, hoping you'll get the hint. 12. She gets tired of being strong. Today's woman is expected to be everything. Independent, successful, beautiful, nurturing, supportive. Sometimes she just wants to cry, be held, and be told that it's okay to not have it all together. But instead of saying that, she hides her stress behind a brave smile. 13. She wishes you complimented her more. Even if she looks confident, she still wants to feel seen and appreciated, especially by you. She might never tell you this outright, but every woman loves to be reminded that she's beautiful, smart, and valued, especially on days she doesn't feel like it. 14. She sometimes feels insecure around your family. Meeting your mom, hanging out with your sisters. It can be intimidating. She wants to be liked, respected, and accepted. But even if she feels out of place, she'll keep it to herself. She doesn't want to come off as needy or weak. 15. She's afraid of losing you, even if she acts tough. Sometimes she picks a fight or seems distant or says things like, "I don't care anymore." But deep down she does. She's just scared. Scared of getting hurt. Scared of loving too much. And that fear? She'll never say it out loud. So there you have it, 15 things women never tell their men. These secrets don't make them manipulative or dishonest. They just show how complex and emotional relationships can be. If you made it this far, thank you. Understanding your partner better is the first step toward a stronger, deeper connection. Hit that like button if this video gave you something to think about. And don't forget to subscribe for more real, raw, and relationship smart content. See you in the next one.